Sanibona bafethu igama lami nguSanele sithi welcome back to Starting 11 njengenjalo bafethu ngihamba noSibude Libude Sibude hamba kanjani
Shop kanjani?
uGrand
Hayi imnandi maswiti.
Okay bafethu namhlanje besibukela iMagesi versus Kaizer Chiefs Kaizer Chiefs ibhabhadisa iMagesi ngo 4-1 so congratulations to Kaizer Chiefs, congratulations to the players, congratulations to the coaches bafethu. Before we get into the game, please don't forget to follow us on YouTube at Starting 11 XI 11 number then bese kuba XI. So let's get into the game. Siyabonga nje ukuthola leli thuba lokuthi sime phambi kwenu bafethu sinike lo mbiko Sibude.
Nginibingelele ma followers zethu, ma subscribers zethu. Kuyintokozo ukubona inamba ikhula lapha nakuma followers nakuma subscribers. Sibonga ithuba umdala sesigcinile sikwazi ukuthi sibuye nayo ianalysis after igame yalama team eswa analyzeayo.
Okay.
Yeah.
So does this scoreline reflect what happened on the game?
Yeah. It could have been more goals. Kunalawo.
So usho ukuthi iMagesi yahamba this season.
Ya iMagesi iyahamba iMagesi noma ingcono kune TS Galaxy mangibuka iperformance ye TS Galaxy namhlanje compared to iperformance ye Magesi
compared to
previous ilokhujana ye TS Galaxy ibidlala kangcono iMagesi namhlanje. Yabona ukuba iqhubeke nawo lama chances accrue uSibanyoni lapha ya wazathola nekhona walheader laqhampa leqa ipali. If bakhiphe up leyo momentum yok attack ngale yandlela cishe ibingaqora kuqala ilokhujana iyona iMagesi ibe nebhadi iMagesi yabhekana neChiefs sekubuye uPeterson sekukhona uMiguel uNdlovu waqala igame and waphinde wayiqala futhi noDuba igame. So if igame yeChiefs inoNdlovu inoMabuwe inoMiguel inoDuba
inzima nya
kuzoba i-different Kaizer Chiefs noPeterson kuzoba cause lapha eswini ikhona i-creativity kwiChiefs ikhona imarking. Yabona uma khona uMiguel isifo lesi siba khona kuma defense asibi khona kakhulu compared to uma ngabe engekho ku defense. So I defense ibiperforme kahle nala isisu besiperforme kahle. That's why le creativity ngangikhuluma ngayo last time iChiefs idlala neTS Galaxy ukuthi ayikho namhlanje ibe khona. Take a look igoli lalokhujana engihlezi ngimbiza ngengubo zodwa uDa Silva uthenile kamnandi waliphasa lashaya ilokhujana la United la kwayigoli emnandi lapha I creativity. This is how you do it when we strike nanso into for a big team yabo thola ikhona iKaizer Chiefs kamnandi yashawa ayangakwazi ukuthi defend kahle iMagesi lahlangana noDuba wabona ipali akangambona ukeeper ladlula igoal line yabhala iChiefs.
Half time.
Ama lokhujana ama winger eMagesi abezama nethi bemakeka kalula bezama wona azamile cause ukuthola igoal alithole ngoba sekuyi set piece kuyikhona kick yabo nakhona umuntu ovilaphile kube uMayo ukuze ikore bese kuyi second half lapha yabo performance Lilepo bekungayona ilollipop le sijwayele kodwa ibikhombisa iMagesi ukuthi siyafuna ukukora nathi siyafuna ukuyibamba ayizange ivumele ukuthi iChiefs izitapele ngaleyo kodwa well done to iKaizer Chiefs nama substitute akhona isubstitute kaDa Silva ibe negoli kwangena uFrozler okada agcina ukukora waba nama assist ayi2 thola yokuqala ulithole kuDuba to Frozler to Shabalala eyihost cisha kushabalala ke yona noma beyingekho that much good performance yakhe but udlalile walithola ibhola from uFrozler walibeka enethini zakhala zakhala yawenza imagesi ama substitute but bengekho that enough kodwa ayuthash bawudlalile bese combine ama pass abo bese combine kuukuthi ke i-defense bese yalukhasha ukuthi cha asifuni thina ukuthi nikore i-defense yeKaizer Chiefs yabo ayikwazanga ukuthi ishaye igoli lesibili ishaye igoli lesithathu because besiningi futhi khona kanye ngala kwa right kwi-Chiefs second half besingena inqonqothile second assist uLokhuja uFrozler shaya cross emnandi kuyi-throw in lesa kuye lahlangana noMayo umfana kaPatrick Mayo ukhanyisa Mayo walibeka ngekhanda yabhala iChiefs 4 goals 4-1 yawina kanje and uDuba ube yi-man of the match yes uke wadlala kabi first half none yabo but if ethola i-players ocombine nalo kwenziwe le creativity nanso yabona iChiefs uma ingabuild up entweni nje ingabuyiseli ongcobo ikhuthaze uSave ukuthi be more creative izoba na something bamsubstitute phela kuseli icala nokusubstitute naye uShabalala bake bangene nabanye
ovele
yabo basikhande isquad isikhona ngoba noFrost sebebuyile basikhande bazokwazi ukuthi babhekane nama team amakhulu like Pirates uma ngabe bangabuilda yabona uma bengayianalyze le game babuka ukuthi okay ama weakest players ethu obani then sikwazi ukuthi sifake laba abastrong abazokwazi ukubamba i-team enkulu ku first half ingashaya amagoli amaningi ingashawa iChiefs ngo-3-0 bayibuke bayianalyze ukuthi nanso ke iChiefs isiqala ukubuya ukuthi nayi khona into eyifunayo yabo
so do you think with this performance iChiefs izoqeda ku-number 1 on the log because currently they are number 3 with 45 points 23 games 45 points
number 3 number 2 number 1 akasekho obheka ukuthi angaluza igame but makungakhona oba nama draws ayi3 or 4 iChiefs ingaya ku number 2 ingaya ku number 2
because phela manje bonke basazodlala bonke Chiefs bazodlala neSundowns
isazodlala nePirates nanso ke into ezolimaza iChiefs ukuthi ingayi kwiLokhujana because yashawa i-team eyi1 phakathi kwalama team amakhulu isingahlala ke ihlale ku number 3 nakhona futhi ishayele amaZulu ukukhipha leya position ngoba uma ishawa amaZulu eshawa iPirates eshawa iSundowns maybe down to number 5
so Orlando iKaizer Chiefs ina 7 games left manje
away games
then ina 6 away games because any away games angindlebile so kusazo travel
kusazohanjwa kakhulu ngoba big 2 games Sundowns nePirates angeke sikarata
namaZulu futhi bengawathatha kancane
kodwa uma bengakhipha le performance abayenze namhlanje maybe
you can get a
draw between iPirates amaZulu mhlawumbe athole newin singazi ke masibhekene naSundowns well kuzodependa next game ukuthi masibhekene naSundowns kuzokwenzakalani but ke iLokhujana iSundowns iwadlala iLokhujana iquality yakhona ingaphezulu ukudlula wonke ama team akwi-PSL ukuthi ibhola liyaginqela kuzobonakala ngama result ayikho team esiLokhujana esive by the way ama team akwi-Champions League lawa esiwagqokile hayi
so we are keeping you Champions League football
Champions League ngabe i-team kuthiwa inkulu kodwa
ivale gazi isiqhatha nabantu kodwa phela nawe uyazi ukuthi team yakhe ayidla Champions League mayini hayi uzokhalelani
uFIFA recognize abani uFIFA phela oshoyo ukuthi team yakhe inkulu noma incane kodwa ngikho lapho
ngoba phela nathi sazoyenza icup starting 11 beyiwina into abakayikhonjwa
angithi yabona ngoba naku team enkulu
4 game tournament nje sazoyenza bafethu.
Lama cup awineka kalula afana nala esisazoyenza starting 11 yabo la
kodwa ke bafethu sizobonana ngeweekend mase kudlala iMamelodi Sundowns neS Tunis return leg. Remember iMamelodi Sundowns they have an away goal, they have a clean sheet, so we are really looking forward, and we have to really rally behind the only team in the Champions League that is representing South Africa or Southern Africa as a whole, because Mamelodi Sundowns is the only southern team ekhona kwi-Champions League. So bafethu siyabonga esikhatsini bafethu, siyabonga ama likes, niqhubeke bafethu nisubscribe, danke siyabonga.